Yo, what's good, y'all? This is your boy JJ Hart, aka Honda G. I'm here because I'm changing my muffler in my car, stuff like that, and I want like a better performance. A little bit loud, but not too loud, not raspy, nothing like that. I just want like a better sound. You know what I'm saying? And sort of like a better look too. So this is my old muffler right here and stuff. As you can see, this is my old one right here, my stock one, which I'm about to take out. You know what I'm saying? And this is my new one and stuff right here. So I'm just gonna definitely do the sound test on this muffler and my old muffler down there, you know what I'm saying? So let's get it. Damn, look at this. They put my new one on now. Shit. Damn, this shit. Sounds better, right? Oh my god. Sounds good. Yeah. So yo, I didn't even get to show my old muffler, but I'm keeping my muffler as a souvenir just in case if anything happens. If I'm forced to put it back on, then you know what I'm saying, then that's a different story. But my muffler is wearing out. It was torn up anyway, so good thing I changed it, to a better performance and all that. So I'm gonna definitely test drive my car now.
Later that same evening.
Yo, so it's nighttime. I already know, you know what I'm saying? I tried to do my part earlier, but it didn't come out too right. So this is the best time for me to do this. But all I want to say is that I did what I had to do. I did not do no muffler delete, nothing like that. I just did the muffler swap, you know what I'm saying, for aftermarket one, the performance one, because that's what I really needed for my car. And also, you know, I just wanted my joint to be loud, but not crazy loud, like, you know, like raspy and violently. I don't want none of that. That's for sports car. My car ain't really that sporty, but at the same time, I'm just happy that I did what I had to do. I'm grateful for what I have, and I thought about doing my resonator, but I said, nah, I'm gonna leave that alone because you need your resonator if you want to do your back pressure properly. Yeah, but if you delete your resonator, it's gonna be difficult, you know what I'm saying? That's what I heard. But anyways, honestly, I want to thank y'all for watching my video, and I honestly want to thank y'all for watching my test. Like, I did the inside test and the outside test, you know, the revving, the pushing the gas. I did the part of my video of me driving up and down from outside to see what it really sounds like. It sounds pretty good to me. It's real good enough. I don't have to go overboard, you know what I'm saying? So I also want to thank y'all once again, you know what I'm saying? Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. Your boy is out. Oh yeah, follow me on Instagram. It's in my description. You know what I mean? So your boy is out. Peace.